Crossing the point of no return, the entire galaxy shrinks into a ring of fire. This is the end of reality. But to understand the end, we must return to the beginning. "26,000 light-years from Earth in the heart of the Milky Way, the laws of physics are being tested. Look at the stars. They are orbiting a ghost, an invisible titan 4 million times more massive than our sun. We are now orbiting the event horizon. Space itself is twisted into an Einstein ring. Gravity acts as a lens, warping the light of 100 billion stars into a perfect, distorted circle. As we draw closer, the darkness is unveiled. This is the accretion disk, a maelstrom of matter heated to billions of degrees, radiating a haunting blue glow as it spirals toward the abyss. Here, time is no longer a constant. Seconds for us are eons for the world we left behind. We are witnesses to the future of the cosmos, accelerating toward a final, inevitable destiny. We reach the Schwarzschild radius, the boundary beyond which no information can ever return. The horizon rises to consume our vision. Looking back, the stars are vanishing. Reality is tearing at the seams. We are no longer observers. We are becoming part of the dark. This is the last echo of the stars. Our trajectory is now a spiral into the infinite. Matter is stretched into threads of pure energy. Welcome home to the heart of the void.